President Aquino says the government is focused on building more climate-resilient communities in disaster areas in the country. The president stressed this as he thumbed down demands from some survivors of Super Typhoon Yolanda that their families be given instead 40,000 pesos each for them to build their own homes. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
President Aquino will revisit next week some of the areas affected by last year's natural calamities disasters. In his interview with media, the president wants to get the clear picture of the massive rehabilitation and reconstruction efforts of the government to assist affected residents recover from the tragedy. The president stressed this following criticisms on the alleged slow response of the government to help the survivors, particularly of Super Typhoon Yolanda.
Siguro doon sa visual sa makikita nyo, masabi nyo kung mabagal o hindi. Huwag natin kalimutan, 1.4 million families affected, 918,000 ang mga kailangan ng assistance sa kanilang pabahay.
The government is prioritizing the safety of the residents by enhancing the no-build zone in areas prone to landslides and flash floods. President Aquino said this amidst calls to give each typhoon-affected family 40,000 pesos to help them build their own shelter.
Siguro importante nito, yung ano bang magiging pamatagalan na solusyon, yung 40,000 na yan. So yun, hindi ko nakita. Ngayon, kaakibat nun at medyo mas nasentro yung aking atensyon doon sa mungkahe na dapat raw mawala na yung no-build zone. Ngayon, paano yung sa totoo lang, kamakailan nag-briefing ang DOST at ay pinakita yung mga areas na may sa storm surge. At yun naman ang hinahabol nung no-build zone. Ilayo ka kung saan, di ba, yung magkakaroon nitong mga waves brought about by the storm na kaya ka lunurin, kayang gibayin yung mga struktura mo. So, yung sa tutulang, binabalangkas pa natin yung kumpletong solusyon para sa pagtugon nga ng ating tinatawag na more climate resilient or in disaster resilient communities.
The 40,000 pesos recommendation for each affected family will cost the government 56 billion pesos, almost 10% of the 600 billion budget for personal services and maintenance and other operating expenses or MOOE.
Siyempre, madaling magmungkay. Hindi sumama ka dito, meron kang 40,000. So, gano'ng katagal kaya mapapatustos yun sa kanilang pamilya, may tatayo kailan pamamahin nila. Alam niyo, yung, para mapabilis yung sa housing, bank houses, nagpunta na rin tayo sa pagbibigay ng construction materials doon sa merong mga lugar na safe, na gusto nila sila na magtayo ng bahay nila.
At present, 300 billion pesos are needed to fund the massive rehabilitation and reconstruction efforts in the areas. But President Aquino assured the government will continue to extend assistance to the victims.
Atin, kung may petisyon na umabot, wala pa sa aking mesa sa araw na to, harapin natin at tugunan natin ang bawat isang mga tanong.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.